How to change vibration pattern on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This menu lets you manage ringtones, alert tones, and haptic feedback for your device. Here, tap on Ringtone, and then tap on Haptics at the very top of the screen. This section shows all the available vibration patterns for your alerts. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Create New Vibration. Tap or hold your finger on the screen to create your desired pattern. A blue progress bar at the bottom will visually represent your new vibration as you create it. Once you are done, tap on Save, and you will be prompted to name your new creation. Your new custom vibration is now saved and will be applied to your ringtone. Following these steps, you can easily change vibration patterns on an iPhone.